question is, who lost?
You did?
Yeah, what is up everybody and welcome back to this week's video. I'm with my friend Matilda and Zachary Michael Dawsey.
You say my full name every time. Why do you do this? And Jake's actually here to help out with the cat while we're filming. Yeah, what's up? And we're with Socks.
And we're with Sauce sticking into my arm right now. So, our last video, we had asked if we wanted Socks' name to be Socks or Bartholomew.
And everybody voted Socks.
Socks is a better name. Socks is
like
the winner!
literally everybody. I'm quite upset about that.
Put the cat down, Sophie. Let it go in the pool. There we go.
And that brings us to what we're going to do today.
We are going to do the ice pool challenge. I'm pretty sure we just made it.
We literally just made it up. But we have a kiddie pool with socks in it. And we're going to fill it up with ice and water. So it's really cold.
So the way it works is one person is going to be in this ice pool. Another person has to ask questions. And the person in the ice pool has to answer 3 questions before they can get out. And these questions are really random and hard, so.
Whoever has the slowest time loses.
And has to do a dare from Socks' choosing.
Socks is going to choose the dare for us.
So. Oh no, you threw me! No! No! Stop! Oh, it's diarrhea! No! Socks! Oh!
Baby wipes? Well.
No! No, don't let yourself! Well, great. We'll be right back. Quick update. We just cleaned the kiddie pool. Oh, it still smells.
You're a bad little kitty, aren't you?
Time to go get the ice.
Let's go.
Woohoo.
So we got 6 bags. I think we're ready.
Hi, Socks.
We did it, Socks.
All right, we're back. We got the ice in the pool. We got Socks in the pool.
Aw, he wants it.
Aww. And we're ready to do this thing. So let's go. Might take a while.
2 hours later.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
So we're about to start. Zach's going first. Get ready for some super random questions. Tilda's got the questions. Oh.
3, 2, 1, get in!
Okay. You have to sit down.
What does this sit down?
No, sit down. You have to sit down.
No.
What does a banana and a human share in common?
The skin.
No!
What?
DNA! What is the national motto of the United States?
I don't know.
Oh my god. Okay, what are the 4 names of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles?
Michelangelo. That's all I know. Go, 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 go.
What is the outermost layer of the Earth
The
called?
crust. The crust.
What's the capital of Spain?
Madrid.
Where does Zeus live?
Mount Olympus. All right, 3. That's it.
Oh!
That hurts.
How was that?
I got hypothermia. That was not good. I was feeling like lightheaded and like dizzy, and I could barely talk. I know all the turtles' names. It's like Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael, and Leonardo. It's just hard to think in there.
My turn now. Go, Sophie.
You got this.
Ready?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh no.
Ready?
What does the NFL stand for?
National
Who made the song Treat You Better?
Come on,
serious?
Sophie.
You don't know this?
In your life. Shawn Mendes. Okay.
Yes.
All right. How many stars are in the universe?
At least 10.
Sure. Okay. What's the world's longest Which river? Next, just go next. Okay. What is the Japanese art form of folding paper?
Origami.
You got it. You're done. You're done.
Go, get out.
Oh my god. Like, I'm numb.
I was too.
Numb. My legs, like, still kind of
Oh my
work.
god.
Oh my god, get out of here, kid.
Okay.
Okay, but seriously, Sophie, do you really not know what the NFL stands for?
No, I do. It's National Football League.
Okay. I was questioning you for a second. You almost didn't get Shawn Mendes. That's how
It's
bad
like
it was.
It's like, come on, I didn't. I almost didn't get Shawn Mendes. Like, seriously.
Okay.
Like, that's just like
This is intense.
craziness. Matilda.
Matilda, are you ready?
No.
Alright, go.
Go. When is Albert Einstein's B-Day?
March 14th.
Yes.
Oh my god, what? How did you know that?
What is the hardest natural substance?
Rock.
Next.
Right there. Okay. What was the other one? What's the quadratic formula?
B plus A. I don't know.
Who made the song Castle on the Hill?
Orchard Griffin.
Yeah, get up.
It's so cold. I'm shivering. I can't feel my feet. Why do you guys make me do these things?
The real question is, who lost?
You did?
Ow! Sophie! No! Throw it! How are you doing that, Sophie? That's too cool.
No diving or jumping in shallow water.
What was that?
That's not how you dive.
I tried, but
We have a hot tub in the backyard. You should use that.
Let's go.